Breaking now, a Northwest Iowa nurse is facing charges following the death of a patient at a nursing home. KTV's Larry Wentz joins us live in studio tonight. Larry, what details can you break down for us?
Becky Manning of Lakeview, Iowa, is accused of wanton neglect of a resident at a healthcare facility for refusing to provide doctor-ordered medical care, which led to the death. Now, court documents show the incident happened in February of 2023 at Fonda Specialty Care in Pocahontas County. Manning refused, according to the documents, to suction the patient's tracheostomy stoma. That's the hole in the throat, despite numerous requests from the staff to do so. The resident was nonverbal, but he was able to alert the staff when he required suctioning so he could breathe. Now, the documents say Manning not only refused to do the suctioning, despite being alerted by 4 different employees during her shift, but she is also accused of preventing the staff from calling 911. Now, if convicted, Manning could face up to 10 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Jessica?